Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that strategic Bitcoin reserve token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Be your own research for the investing. According to the website, strategic Bitcoin reserve SBR is a meme token designed to capitalize on the growing trend of Bitcoin's dominance and the power of decentralized finance DeFi. It embodies the concept of securing financial sovereignty through a playful yet strategic approach, combining the meme culture with a reserve currency narrative. The token aims to provide holders with a fun, community driven ecosystem while emphasizing Bitcoin long term store of value potential. SBR is more than just a meme, it is not to the idea that decentralized community focused token can harness the strength of Bitcoin as a symbol of digital gold, combining meme power with serious investment potential. The project encourages participation, rewards holders, and fosters a loyal community of Bitcoin enthusiasts, meme lovers alike. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Project Institution rating is 3.4. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve token total supply is 21 million and circulating supply is also 21 million SBR token. SBR token is listed on Uniswap, B2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.